Okay, so let's learn how to play the second verse now. It's pretty similar to the first, but of course, you know, there's going to be a lot of nuances in it. This is Hendrix, so man has an awful lot of intricacy in his playing. So, she comes to me. She gives to me free. Take anything you want from me. Anything. Okay, so something along those lines. So it starts the same as before, basically. So remember, that's the second fret on the third string, up to the fourth, and then the third fret on the second string. And then we hammer on to the fifth fret because we're on a E minor. And then I form this little E minor chord here. So that's the fifth fret on the second string, and then the fourth fret, and then the fifth fret again. And I just strum that a little bit just to fill out the sound. Something like that. So that there is from this shape, the fifth fret and the fourth fret, sliding down 2 frets. Da, 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 da. Try and get that. So. Then once you get there, you're on a G chord, so you play the bass, and then open second and third again. So it's very similar to the first verse. And then, so that's taking this shape here, and sliding up, and then back down. So do that strum twice. Slide twice, sorry, and then back, and slide back up, so, and then end on the 3 and the 2, like that. Okay, very intricate and also very hard to explain. So again, this is just like before. Remember, the second fret on the fourth string, then the fifth fret. And then, so that's the third string, third fret, slide from 3 to 4, and then 7, and then 3 to 4 again, but at the bass, which is over an A minor, so A in the bass. Okay, so just like before, there's the 5th fret and the 7th fret on the 3rd and 4th string, bass, and then again these two. Remember last time we just slid down to our E minor. This time we go back up. Okay, back up to the 5 and the 7. So the first time, first verse, it was. I messed that up. Like that. This time. Like that. So you just come exactly the same, but just go back up to the 5 and the 7 to get your E minor. And the E minor, exactly the same as the first time, I believe. That's exactly the same as in the first verse. Okay, so that's nice and convenient. And then this bit's slightly different. Okay, so this is over the B minor 7 now. First time we went. This time we're going like that, down to our A minor. So anyway, hold down your B minor 7, play the bass, and then you can do your hammer on from 7 to 9 on the 3rd string, twice, and then 7 on the same string. And then on the score I've written just arpeggiating the chords. So B minor 7, hold that down and play string 6, 5, 4, 3, then down to your B flat 7. The same thing. That's absolutely fine. But often I'll just strum. Whatever you want to do, whatever you prefer. So that leads to our A minor. There's a little fill here. So that's double stops really. Top 2 strings, 5th fret, and then 7 on the same 2 strings, and pull off back to the 5th, and then 7 on the 2nd and the 3rd string, then the 4th string, 7th fret, and then the 5th fret on the 2nd and the 3rd string. Okay, so okay, that leads down to our C, and here is really just that. But I might play strings 2, 3, and 5, and then the 2nd string again, and again. Then the 3rd fret on the same string, something like that, and then slide 3 to 2 on the 3rd string. That leads to our G, so you can play the bass, and then the G string, 3rd string, open twice. Okay? And then just like your intro, or very similar to the intro, remember this shape, this F sus2 add 9? Well, it starts on the G, so just up 2 frets. Together, all together, slide up 2 frets, and then down 2 frets, and slide down 2 more frets. So just like in the intro. And then maybe strum up, bass, up, down, up. Something along those lines. So from the A minor. That goes to a C, play that, followed by a light strum, something like that, and then, so that's just 2nd string, 3, slide up to 5, and then back to the 3rd fret, and then I'll slide 2 to 4 on the 2nd string, sorry, the 3rd string, and then back to the 2. So, but it's over a D chord, so I put a D in the bass. So, like that. And then just fill out one bar, 1, 2, and you've got it. Okay, so. And then that leads into the solo. So, here's this verse one more time. So there's just a solo, just the outro left to do, and it's a lot of fun to play, and it goes like this. there's another one. Which on the recording goes to fade, but I end it on that G chord there. So, to get into it, we've got these harmonics, and that's just a 12th fret, 12th fret harmonics, natural ones. So I'll do like a little tap or a little strum muted, and then I'll play the top 4 strings, or the top 3 strings as harmonics. You can add a bit of that business if you want, that light sort of vibrato, just pushing on the neck a little bit, moves the strings. If you want to do that, you can do some like drum rolls on the guitar. I'll leave that up to you, whatever you want to do. But then the solo. So to start, we're over an E minor, and I'm sliding 3 to 5 on the B string. I'll get the G in there, but on an E minor chord, so that's very welcome. And I'll play the bass. All together, slide up 2 frets. Add a percussive tap if you want to. Okay, and then again. And then we got. Okay, so just bear in mind the bass, really kind of boring really. I'm just playing bass, tap across the chords. Okay, that's all I'm doing there. So, with that in mind, the actual solo is going. So that second half there, I'm again starting 3 to 5, back to 3, open 2nd string, and then again, and hammer the 3rd fret. So you got dead simple. But then add the bass. Okay, and then that goes to a G, so G in the bass, and there I just played the 2nd and 3rd string open. Tap, and then I'm sliding 5 to 3 on the 2nd string. Okay, and then 3rd string is the note, but at the bass. So, okay, and then we're sliding 3 to 4 on the 3rd string, and then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, with a tap, like that. So that's the first 2 bars. Okay, and then it's tap, A minor 7. So start, and I'm holding down an A sus2 chord, and I'll play strings 2 and 5, and then the 3rd string, like that, strum, and then, so the actual solo is just that. So we've just played the open 2nd, and then the 2nd on the 3rd string, and then you've got open 3rd string, then 2nd on the same string, and then open 2nd string, back to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then open 2nd string. You just got to add the rest of it in. Strum on 2. Okay, so that's with the bass. And then I go like that, which is slightly different to the original solo, but it just became a habit. So it's really just incorporating the blues scale. 3rd string, 2nd fret, hammer up to the 3rd, then back to the 2nd, and then open. And then 2 open on the 4th string. Okay, so that's over the A minor. And that goes to an E minor. So you hold down that E minor, and I play strings 6, 4, and 3. And then we got, okay. So a bit fiddly, but let's learn just the actual solo. So it's the third string open, and then 2 to 4 open, and then 2. Then we go to the fourth string, second fret, and then open third string, and then second on the third string, and then we hammer open to 2. Okay? Like that. And that's with the bass. Bass, tap, bass, tap. Okay? And then the last, well, then we've got, so this is the B minor over a B minor chord here. So now, second fret on the fifth string, fourth fret on the fourth string, I think I said that right, and then open third string together, and then bar your index and play the second fret on the third string, like that. And then from there, strum those 3 strings and hammer the fourth fret on the third string. So you get, and then off on the third string. Okay, then put your pinky back on and play the fourth fret on the third and fourth string, and then we move our index down to the first fret because we're walking to that A minor 7. So from the E minor, and then B minor, so that's on A minor, and the melody, the solo is just that. So that's 1 on the second string, pull off to open 3 times, and then play the third string open, like that. C, hold down a C, and there I just play strings 1, 2, and 5. And then with our percussive tap, we get open top string, and then 3 pull off to 1 on the second string, like that. Sorry. Okay, and then you get that, which is over the G, F, and then lead into C. So in the bass you got, so, but up here on the G you've got that. So it starts on the third string, third fret, play that, slide up 1 fret, and then the top string third fret twice, so, okay, and then we do our slide once more, but just play the top string third fret once, so, with the bass, like that, and then down to our F, got F sus2. So hold down an F chord really and play strings 1 and 6, and then the second string, and then we can lift it off actually for your F sus2. Play the open third string and hammer the second fret, like that. And then what you do, you get that. So that's open third string, hammer the second, pull off, and then third fret, fourth string. So just have the bass. So that bar. And then this is over the C. So I'll play my C like this, bar in the third fret, and then the fifth fret on the second string, and the fifth fret on the third string, that's kind of the shape I'm working around. Lift off your pinky and play strings 1, 2 and 5. Hammer that pinky onto the 5th fret on the 2nd string and then pull it off like that. And then play the 3rd string. And you just do that twice. And then like that. To our D. So on that D chord, I'm just playing strings 2, 3 and 4. And then, so that there is 2nd string. And then on the top string, open, then 2nd fret, then 3rd fret. So, and then bass with, so that's 3, put off to 2, put off to open, then 3rd fret on the 2nd, open 1st. So. Okay, and then you do your harmonic again. So. And that's your first time through the solo. So here it is once more. You're nearly done. You've just got 3 bars left to do, and they go like this. Okay, so this goes to fade on the actual original recording. So it starts the same as before. We slide 3 to 5 on the B string, and then play it again when we're there. So, and then, so exactly the same as before, but this time we don't go. We go. Okay, so like. So that's just 2, pull off to open on the 3rd string, and then same on the 4th string. And then we slide 3 to 4 on the 3rd string with the bass on the G. And then 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then again we do that slide 3 to 4 on the 3rd string. And then we're alternating for the rest of the bar. A 3 E and a 4 E and a. And you just add the bass. Hard to slow it down. But you just keep it going. Okay, quite tricky. And you're nearly there. So the A, the melody, is open 2nd string, then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then still on the 3rd string, open 2, so, and then again open 2, so, and open 2nd string, back to the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open 2nd string, so, with the bass. And then to end, it's just that blue scale thing again, and then on the G, and you're done. So here's this bit once more. So there's a huge amount we've gone over there. Hope it's come across okay, and I really hope you enjoyed playing this arrangement. It's a lot of fun. Great song. So yeah, cheers. I'll see you next time.